Today I'm going to be cooking a very simple, quick, delicious dish. Freeform lasagna with roasted cauliflower and scallops. It's going to be a good one. First add cauliflower to a roasting pan. Followed by olive oil and salt. Now place in the oven and cook. For the GREMOLATA, chop parsley, next add grated garlic and transfer to a bowl. And for some kick, add some Calabrian Chiles. They are packed full of flavour and I love them. Remove the core and chop. Add lemon zest, olive oil, vinegar, capers. Optional, I added some toasted sunflower seeds. Add lemon to taste. Stir well and put aside. Next, add lasagna sheets to salted boiling water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add a small amount of oil to the water to prevent from sticking. While the sheets are cooking, add a good pinch of salt to the scallops. Add olive oil to a very hot pan. And cook the scallops for 1.5 minutes on each side. So there you have it, quick, simple, delicious, so easy to do. The amounts are down below if you want to have a go. Thanks guys.